Hello everyone, welcome to Master Geography. Today we will learn how to draw simple conical projection with one standard parallel. So we know that there are two methods for drawing simple conical projection. First, geometrical regularity. Second, mathematical method. So today we will draw simple conical projection in geometrical regularity method. So, how to draw a simple conical projection in the mathematical method is given in the description box. If you want, so you can watch the video. So, notice the question paper. Draw the graticules on simple conical projection with one standard parallel. For the extension 30 degree north to 70 degree north and 30 degree west to 30 degree east at 10 degree interval on scale RF 1:100 million. This projection is the hemisphere of northern. So according to question, I will have to draw a projection of the northern hemisphere. So we need to remember two steps to do this math. So look at here. Step 1. So first we need to determine the radius of the generating globe. So remember it. This is a formula to determination the radius of the generating globe. So r equal to actual radius of the earth by denominator of Rf. So we know that the actual radius of the earth means 640 million centimeter and 250 million inch. So I will draw this projection by the unit of centimeter. So if you want to draw by inch unit, so you will be able to draw by inch unit this projection. R equal to actual radius of the earth means 640 million centimeter by denominator of RF. So look at here. So this is RF 1:100 million. So 100 million. So having the divided, we will get 6.4 centimeter. So this is radius of the earth, r equal to 6.4 centimeter. So then step 2. So we need to determine the latitude. So we will write 10 degree interval to parallel. So look at here. So latitude 30 degree north to 70 degree north at 10 degree interval. So 30 degree north, 40 degree north, 50 degree north, 60 degree north, 70 degree north. So now I will have to determine of middle latitude. So first number plus last number by 2 equal to 50 degree north. So this is standard parallel. Otherwise you can choose standard parallel. So there are 5 number here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is middle point 1, 2 and 1, 2. So this is middle point means this is standard parallel 50 degree north. So next, so now I will have to determine the longitude. So we will write 10 degree interval to meridians. So this is same process. Look at here. So this is longitude 30 degree west to 30 degree east at 10 degree interval. So 30 degree west, 20 degree west, 10 degree west, 0 degree, 10 degree east, 20 degree east, 30 degree east. So now I will have to determine of middle longitude. First number minus last number by 2 equal to 0 degree. So this is central meridian. So otherwise you can choose central meridian. There are 7 number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is middle point. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So this is middle point, means this is central meridian, 0 degree. So the math is over. Now I will have to draw projection. So for drawing the projection, first I have to draw a long line. So then I need the value of radius of the earth. So we have to got the value of radius of the earth 6.4 centimeter. So look at here. So radius of the earth are equal to 6.4 centimeter. So now I will have to draw a horizontal line by this value 6.4 centimeter. So this line is 6.4 centimeter. This point A and B. So now I will have to draw a semicircle by this value 6.4. So this is semicircle and this point R. Then we need two angles, 10 degree and 50 degree. So 10 degree we have to got from interval and 50 degree we have to got from standard parallel. So look at here. 10 degree interval and standard parallel 50 degree north. So it is 10 degree angle and it is 50 degree angle, and this point P and E. So then we have to draw a tangent from P point. So it is a tangent and this point O. Then one more we have to draw a semicircle by 10 degree value. So this is semicircle, this point S and T. Then one more we have to draw a tangent from here. So this is a tangent, this point C and D. Step 2. Then I have to draw a long line. So now I will have to draw the 5 latitude on this line. So this line is central meridian. So first, for drawing a standard parallel, we need the value of P and O tangent point. So this is tangent point P and O. We need this value. So for drawing latitude, we need the value B and E point. So look at here, this is B and E point. So we need this value. So I will divide 4 parts on central meridian line. So having the divided, we are added the 4 lines. So now we will have to draw the 7 longitude on standard parallel. So this line is standard parallel. So then for drawing longitude, we need the value of C and D tangent point. So look at here, this is C and D tangent point. So we need this value. So now I will divide 7 parts on standard parallel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So having the divided, we will have to add this dot. So then we will have to write the value of longitude and latitude. So now I will have to write the heading. So, heading simple conical projection with one standard parallel and scale RF 1:100 million and geometrical regularity method. So, if you want to remove this part, so you will be able to remove this part. Then the projection is over. Thanks for watching the video.